Let some drag out. Let her fight it. Yeah. Oh, he's over there. Looks like another keeper. Decent. Oh, he ain't too bad. This is where we need nets. The only net I have is a big river one. It's too big for the creek and drag. Oh, they all like spotted here.
Nice one.
Mm-hmm.
Whiskey River Bait Company. That blue one.
You got one? Oh yeah, I got one. Nice little one. Yeah, we've been slaying them on these baits. Ah. What is that? Did it? You did have one. Got this little school right here in front of me of a nice smallies and Whiskey River Bait. Done it again. If I don't hook myself. Nice little school of smallies out in front of me. The green and black, the blue and black with blue flakes. Did it again. Check that out. Get the hook out of its mouth quick. Decent little smallie. There's a couple of them like that in there. But out in there is a little small school. Get this guy back in there quick before he dies, and we get a couple more if we can. Oh yeah, baby. It's a pig for sure. Look at that beauty. Whiskey River Baits, done it again. Look at that. Black and blue with blue flakes. Slammed at him again. Booyah, baby.